That's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah.
It's just so expensive.
Chen's buffet. Have you ever been to Chen's buffet?
Oh no. We'll have to check
they
that
have
out.
like a full sushi bar.
Oh, we'll have to
And
check
it's
that.
just-
Mr. Donahue loves sushi.
I love sushi too, so you can just grab as much as you want. Like, so I always go there, I get some like general salads, I don't know how to pronounce that. Chicken.
I think that's
with
actually
some
nice.
fried rice with some sushi, teriyaki chicken, some squid. Oh my god. With some crab. Oh.
So you can't
Don't
eat
even
why
get
you're
me
doing
started.
this to
Don't
yourself.
even get me started.
Why are you doing
Should I
this?
just not cut this season?
No.
Yeah.
You want to say?
I don't care anymore, honestly.
It's the
You
first
don't
week
need
so
that.
he hates it.
I hated it since
Oh, yes.
Do you even? Oh wait, no, I have one more thing.
Okay.
So he can always be a quitter. So it's
Dude. My life
Alright.
is so good.
So we are we added in 4 divided by 2. 2 squared is 4. That gets added in there. And then negative 10 divided by 2 is 5 squared is 25. But then remember this when we actually have to do that times, it's really times 4, so 100. Oh, this one's kind of a weird one,
Yeah,
hey?
because it equals 1, but then the 4 is still in it, so I don't know how to get rid of the 4.
Yeah, that's
Because
what.
without making it a 4.
weird enough.
Oh, that's weird.
Good answer. Let's go.
It's undefined.
Yes. That's he's a genius. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm a little, I have to look.
Unsolvable.
I'll have to look at where I found this, because I don't know if I know what I did wrong.
How to torture students.
Yeah. How to torture students.
Give them problems that aren't solvable.
Yeah.
So yeah, that equals 1 there.
Yeah, so how do you get the 4 out of
Which makes the oval 4 times bigger.
there? Yo, that's smart.
Yes.
That's
Wow, we have 2 geniuses in the same room.
Let's
Can you
go.
believe you're in the room of like,
we have to produce awesome to make it super genius. To make it super genius.
Can you report him? Who wants to go next?
He's
Unless we just change that 103 to make it work so we can actually graph it. But maybe there's a way to do this. So let me.
It's undefined.
that hurt.
the answer is.
Define double.
Alright, I found this one
Undefined
somewhere.
I think it's undefined.
Let's call it perfect.
Not no B.
Now where's the editor? Well, actually, there is right there. You said Garrett.
You were in it. Dude, you know like how ice cold water, if you like step in it, it like turns into ice? So I was in my car and I was like, yes, I have a water bottle. And I was just chugging constantly. And then I knew it was like that temperature where I like was almost freezing. I'm like, yo. And I went and then I like hit it and then it was like, and then
Did it actually?
yeah, and then it was like slushy, so I was like,
Why do you always make that noise?
because that's what drinking sounds like.
No, it doesn't.
What else does drinking sound like?
If you drink that way, I would, yeah.
You know, in China, if you slurp your noodles, that it means.
Yeah, you're like complimenting the chef.
Here, I'll demonstrate Lewis drinking by drinking the water bottle.
That's how you drink.
So that means the water's not good though.
What?
That's
Because
in China.
yeah,
Those
there's
are
the
the
fountain.
See? No,
Yeah, where you
just
slurp
drink
the earth.
the
I was
water.
complimenting Ice Mountain for making good water.
Well, how are they gonna see that? No,
They
I'm
do
not
it.
just
They're
stirring.
like-
Oh, this is bad. Sorry, this is a bad one. So we still have to divide, like, we have to make that in front of the 4.
Are you kidding me right now? This is down here.
No, you don't.
I cannot.
I'm pretty sure this is
That's a really bad one. I won't give you one like this. Shoot. Let's,
Should we just change the bed?
I think we need to change it, just so we can graph it to practice graphing a little bit more.
So why don't
So,
we change it to?
Let's make this, let's make this a 4, so that would make this, what is that, we need 4 more here.
107.
Yeah.
Negative 107.
Oh, you just wrote a big old.
No, not negative.
That would be positive,
It would have to be 90 something.
That's what I said.
right?
Yeah.
Negative 97. Okay, let's make that a 4, pretend. I won't give you one that's hard. The B value actually ends up being like a fraction.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. And the book I got this from is the same book that had the wrong formula, so I probably shouldn't trust this book
It'd
ever.
be 99.
Maybe 99.
So
I
yeah.
wouldn't scare you.
Oh yeah,
Six.
well no.
No, it'd be negative.
Oh, what?
No, I wouldn't.
97, negative 97 plus 100 is 3. Plus, oh yeah.
Yeah.
It would be 90. It'd be 100.
It'd be 100.
It'd be 100.
It'd be
It's
100.
never 100.
It'd be 100.
Make up your mind.
Whatever.
To know the stuff.
It doesn't matter, it's 4.
Then it's just,
Okay.
let's go.
We're just changing it to 4 here. So in order to make this work, we have to divide this by a 4, we have to divide this one by 4, and then this one by 4.
And someone?
So all of them have to be divided by 4. So, and I promise not to give you one like that. That's mean.
It's me.
Mean. Now these 4's cancel. So that one's going to be over 1. So this is going to be a y graph. Careful.
What?
Should be y,
It would be,
right?
Y graph.
Yeah.
Well, I
It's
thought
like
it
A
was
is bigger than the B.
It's the bottom number that tells you.
Yeah. It's. How do you.
So if this was 4 over
Oh,
here,
so X always has to be on the left?
x, yeah, that's important. So x is always on the left.
Because my X is on the right.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
How would you?
No one ever said
Well, wait,
X
isn't
always
the
comes
4
close.
still underneath the x though? Whatever has the bigger number underneath it is,
Yeah, the X does.
and x is this way. X goes left and right.
That's not how I was
Oh,
thinking about it. I was just
okay,
thinking about it as
Alright.
if like the right.
Okay.
Okay, so.
So, but yeah, anyway, so this should be y, but maybe it's good we talked about that then. It's probably easier just to put it. So negative 2, 5, right?
This is
And then so yeah, I have to do c is the square root of 4 minus 1, so just the square root of 3, which is like 1 point, what is that? Oops,
1.73.
thank you.
So,
1.7.
So vertices, we're gonna go out 2 in both directions. Two and 2. And co-vertices, we're going up and down just 1, so tiny little ellipse here. I can make my dots smaller, otherwise they won't all fit on here. Hopefully this worked out now, after we changed the problem. And then the center, the major axis is the horizontal one, so that's gonna be y equals 5, and then x equals negative 2. All right. And with that, we need to be done.
Hey.
two we have not yet covered. So the top four, so 5 through 8. So 2 of them you're just writing the equation, and 2 of them you're writing the equation and graphing. But I don't make you list all the little pieces of it. You don't have to list everything.